Happy Cinco de Mayo to you, my options trading friends. It is, of course, May 5th, 2022. We're looking at doing a short put in MU, which I believe is a Micron. So that's going to be a semiconductor underlying. It has a liquidity rank of 4 drops out of 4 and an IV rank of 50. So looking at a short put. We're going to put up some capital for this, of course, but we can look at an alternative if you stick with me to the end, because it does help me when you stick to the end of my YouTube channel videos. All right, so if that doesn't interest you, have a wonderful day. If it does, I'll see you on the inside. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. You can see we're looking at the chart for MU. Right over here, we can see Micron. Before we take a further look at this, let's just pop this drawer open on the side and see what's happening in the land of futures overnight. So the big winner is if you were, I guess, long VIX, although we took a big drop recently, so I wouldn't want them in long VIX. Anyway, that's up right now. So that probably means our S&Ps are down. Oh, here we are. Okay, good. So we had a nice up candle, S&Ps yesterday towards the end of the day, but it looks like we're going to be giving up a good chunk of that. That's a bummer. A lot of volatility in the market recently, right? Ups and downs. All right, so that gives you an idea. The biggest loser right now is NASDAQ, 0.9%, and that's of 5:41 a.m. here, Eastern Standard Time, US, right? Okay, cool. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go take a look at this short put. We're looking at add simulated trade here. We've typed in MU, and we're looking at the 65 strike in the June monthlies with 43 days to expiration as of today. And you've got 6-cent wide bid-ask spreads. That's a little bigger than, we would love. 1 penny would be amazeballs, but it doesn't seem to get those recently. I don't know why. Anyway, here we are collecting, let's call it $1.73. Let's put the mid price in there. That would be nice, right? And then let's go to the risk profile to check out our probabilities of profit at expiration. I'm just going to go ahead and set that slice to break even. All right, we're looking at a 77% probability of profit with a trade that risks $6,500 minus the $1.73. So let's call that $6,400. And of course, we don't have to guess as what our maximum loss is. I'm going to right click this trade, choose confirm and send. And here we are. We're looking at $6,327 is our max loss on that one. Max profit is 173. Though if you're following a Tasty Trade mechanic, you would close this at a 50% max profit. And according to the email that we got from Tasty Trade, which, by the way, if you ever want to get the emails that we get and we usually put on or often put on in this channel to test our ability to make a profit using their trades, right, there's a link in the description down below, right? It's not an affiliate link of any kind. I'm not selling you anything. So you can, hey, you can always unsubscribe from them. It's really only subscribing with Tasty Trade. So they'll send you emails because you asked for them. All right. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and send this one, but I'm going to send it to my IRA because I like having long or short puts in my IRA. Okay, because you might end up long those shares. Hey, you never know. But let's take a look. Let's go back to the Let's go back to the margin account and take a look at basically the same trade. But if you don't want to put up $6,300 of capital, if that's percentage-wise too big for your account size, I get that, right? So let's go ahead and click the 65 again. But this time, let's make it a $10 wide vertical. Short put vertical here. We've got 22,000 of open interest in the 65, 6,000, almost 7,000, right, in the 55. And instead of collecting $1.73, we'd be collecting $1.25. Sure, that is not the Tasty Trade 1/3 the width of the risk. Well, 1/3 the width of the spread. I'll get that right. And I probably should go back to full screen on that one. Sorry about that. So in this case here, instead of having a 77% probability of profit, let's take a look at this one. We are looking at a 75.6% probability of profit at expiration. But this time, instead of risking $6,300, we're risking $875, which might be more palatable. You might be able to sleep at night wondering if Micron could take a big drop. Let's just take a quick look at the charts. Has it made big drops? Oh, it's made big drops, yes. Look at that big drop. A couple of them right in a row. So you wouldn't want to be having gone long like this now, even though we were short in this case. We won't want to take a bullish position at a moment like this. Hey, we're in the middle of the band. Where are we now? Oh, we're at the middle of the bands. Okay, so I can see why you might be interested in the vertical with me on this one. So I'm going to go back to this ad simulated trade. Here we have our vertical, and I'm going to go and right click that trade, choose confirm and send, and allow you to see that here. Max profits 125, max loss 875. Similar probabilities of profit on this one, but a much lower max loss number. Not that anyone wants to lose $875. But I'm going to go ahead and we'll put that one into the margin account. It's going to hold $700 of buying power effect on that one, rather than the $6,300 and change. All right, hitting send. And if you made it this far into my video, big thumbs up to you. It's such a big help from my small YouTube channel to you. Big thank you. I appreciate your views, your likes, and your subscriptions if you haven't yet subscribed. All right, until I see you in tomorrow's final trade of the week, may the market be with you.